Hey guys, today we're going to be making another Father's Day craft. This is going to be, if you've already seen it, comment down below. You're going to need, it's going to be like this brown bag, tie, it's going to be a shirt. So here's what you need: a tie cardboard cutout, a paper bag, write 2 lines that both are 4 centimeters on the edges where you want to put the tie. You need some plain or decorative paper, stickers of your choice, markers of your choice, glue, scissors, and a pencil. First, let's cut the 4 centimeter lines. This is what you're going to do first. We'll make this perfect later. Right now you are going to get your pencil and trace the tie that you have cut out. Trace it. I chose green paper. You can choose anything you want. Any color. Maybe it's decorative. Cut it out. This is origami paper. I got this for my birthday. Make sure you cut it around the line or on the line because you don't want it to look ugly. There's our tie we're going to use. Throw away your scraps. Next, cut this. If you can. Mine's perfect already. Here's what we're going to make. We're going to make the shirt. So let's see if this is good. It's good. Yes, this is perfectly good. So you are going to glue on the tie. Glue on the edges. Make sure that you go on the edges and you glue it all along the sides. Do not put glue in. It will take you a long time and it will just be icing glue. Glue it on. Put it on. Make sure that this part's folded. You can put anything you want in the bag, but you have to do it before you craft. Okay, since that's done, we're going to glue these in. Wait, let's glue. We're going to glue here. I chose glitter glue. Glue both sides. Fold it where you want it to be. Glue the other side. It's time to decorate. I got this cheetah. I'm going to use a cheetah for the tie. Again, you can use your markers for decorating. that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. This is the one I'm going to work with because I already have something in. It's a Cardinals shirt. Like this sport. He's a Cardinals fan, so I gave him that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Don't forget to comment down below and share this video. Bye!